So this is the water slide. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Cheers.
Good afternoon, it's Friday the 15th and we are back at Bali. At the moment we are in Novena, we will stay here for one day and tomorrow Ubud. So let's go and see what the day will bring us.
So we are at Aling Aling Waterfall, close to Novena. Over there you can go on a natural water slide and you can jump from different heights from the cliffs. So this is the water slide. Are you excited?
Yeah, really excited. I don't see that much now, so it looks like canvas for me.
So how was it?
Super cool, my heartbeat is like crazy. It's a really nice experience.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, really, really nice.
Cheers. We're having after Aling Aling Bintang. That was nice, right?
It was super cool. Like, I'm still full of adrenaline. Great experience. And now, relaxing mode. Selamat pagi.
Pagi.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm watching a YouTube video.
What are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna go to Ubud.
Ooh, nice. And then?
And then
Date night! Nasi campur.
yes, we're nearly in Ubud and we have to make a break. We are hungry and we want to eat this nice food. Let's go. Well, these two plates were 20,000 rupiah, which is about €1.30. So you can have some nice, really tasty food for a little money. Next stop, Ubud.
After a super nice trip, where we crossed like nearly whole Bali through the mountains, we just arrived at Ubud, and today we will spend the night in a more luxury place because Tim decided to treat us on a nice date night. So I'm really looking forward to spend the night over here, enjoy a little bit of the swimming pool, enjoying the rice terraces and the atmosphere of Ubud.
Cheers. Good morning.
Good morning. I started this day with a beautiful run over in Ubud. Of course I didn't bring the camera, but you have to believe me that the views were amazing. And right now Tim and I will enjoy a super delicious breakfast. For now we have already a papaya juice, a cappuccino, espresso and mango juice.
Still in Ubud, now at the beginning of the Kampuan walk. It's like a 2 kilometer walk in the middle of the rice fields, and of course we walk drone.